We are pleased to show you the 2015 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, remote keyless entry, backup camera, Sirius satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, power door locks, power windows, tinted glass, auto express down window, cloth upholstery. Come see the car for yourself.